Hi guys, it's Lily today, and today we're going to make a squishkins. So, I know you're not interested in them because I made it up, but it's going to be really fun. So, first, fold a piece of paper in half, like this, and then we are going to make a little mouse that's a computer click thing. It's going to be named Clicky Mouse. So first, draw like an ovally shape, like this. And then you might want to draw like one little eye, two little eyes, and then okay, if you mess up, that's okay, but I messed up, so you could just get another piece of paper, do it all over again. So, review. First, put the paper in half. Then draw over. Then draw the little eyes. And you don't have to, and I don't want to, you don't have to draw the mouth. Yeah, but it just makes it cuter without the mouth. Okay, so, and then you want to draw the little ears, and then draw the insides. Then, we are going to color it. So I got this pink for the ears. So color the inside of the ears. Here's what it should look a little like. So I just the ears. Now I'm just going to make Clicky Mouse her ears. I think I'm going to have a little thing around them that is going to be gold. And then the rest, I think it's going to be this blue color. You could probably just go right over the eyes. Go around the ears. Go around the other ear. And yeah. Okay, and now I'm just going to draw a little click here that's going to be all black. Then the nose is a triangle or circle, like that. A Clicky Mouse. Click, click, click. And then cut it out. And make sure you still have it folded when you cut it out. Then we'll make two sides. And keep on cutting and cut the whole thing out. Now once you have Clicky Mouse all cut out, staple everything together, but leave the bottom unstapled. Okay? Okay, so here's my Clicky Mouse. Now, if you don't like how all the staples look, you just get the same blue Michael that you use for Clicky Mouse's body and cover all the staples. Okay, like that. Now we're going to go to the back, and then I'm going to draw Clicky Mouse's tail. That looks like a cord. Kind of like that. And then either color in with black or gray, but I'm going with black because I don't have a gray Michael. And color the whole tail. Okay, and if you have extra spots, you can just color that in with your pink Michael. Then get your blue and then color the whole thing with it. And even color the pink. It'll make like a really cool purple color. And if you wanted, and I'm maybe going to do, on the back, if you want to give this to a baby or something, you might want to tape it because the staples on the back side are really pokey, and once I cut myself, and it hurt really bad. So now cover your whole Clicky Mouse with blue. Okay, I colored most of Clicky Mouse. So this is what the front looks like, and this is what the back looks like. Okay, so when you're done with both sides, I'm going to tape the back, which I'm going to do, of the staples, and then get some tissue paper or toilet paper and stuff the inside, and then staple that. Okay, I can't find the tape, but this is what she looks like. Okay, so if you did do like leave an extra like white spike, Mike, you can just color that in with blue Michael. And there she is. When she's all done. But cover the back, okay? And you don't really need a parent for this. Maybe the stapler, because I actually got a hole in my fingers my finger somewhere. And please subscribe and give a big thumbs up and click over to my next channel. Click, click.